you're standing before me with tears in your eyes, trying to tell me that you found you another, and you just don't love me no more. What did you think I would say at this moment when I'm faced with the knowledge that you just don't love me? Did you think I would curse you, say things to hurt you, 'cause you just don't love me no more? Did you think I would hate you, raise my hand to you? Now come on, you know me too well. How could I ever hurt you? Darling, I love you and you know I'd never hurt you. Oh, what do you think I would give at this moment? If you stay, I'd subtract 20 years from my life. I'd fall down on my knees, kiss the ground you walk on, if I could just hold you again. I'd fall down on my knees, kiss the ground that you walk on, baby, if I could just hold you. If I could just hold you. If I could just hold